with delight.
Something colorful caught their sight.
What's inside? They laughed with glee.
A giant rainbow machine stood happily,
The glowing buttons blinked so bright,
shining like the stars at night.
one little button said, "Push me."
Everyone smiled excitedly.
Pop, pop, pop went the machine.
The happiest surprise they'd ever seen. Ever seen.
A cuddly teddy rolled outside.
Waving both arms open
A
wide.
tiny unicorn danced around.
Got sprinkling rainbow sparkles on the ground.
A smiling cookie spun with cheer.
Singing, welcome friends, come here.
Bubble balloons floated high.
Painting colors across the sky.
One little button said, "Push me."
Everyone smiled excitedly.
Pop, pop, pop went the machine.
The happiest surprise they'd ever seen. They'd ever seen.
Then a giant toy rocket flew.
Leaving shiny stardust blue.
Suddenly a golden rainbow ticket appeared.
Floating softly very near.
Inside sparkled a magic crystal key.
Shining bright for all to see.